Let's be honest, most marketers don't have a data problem, they have a dashboard problem. Google Analytics 4 contains some of the most valuable insights about your website, visitors, campaigns, content performance, and conversions. But extracting those insights often means navigating dozens of reports, building explorations, creating segments, and spending hours trying to answer questions. What if you could simply ask, why did website leads drop last month? And get an answer in seconds. That's the power of Claude and GA4. That's exactly what happens when you connect Claude to Google Analytics 4 using MCP. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is rapidly becoming the standard way AI assistants connect to external tools. Think of MCP as a universal adapter. Instead of manually logging into GA4, searching reports, and exporting spreadsheets, Claude can securely access your analytics data and perform the analysis for you. You spend less time finding data and more time making decisions. The result? Claude becomes your AI-powered web analyst. You get the insights you need exactly when you need them. Modern marketers face three major challenges. First, there is too much data. Second, insights take too long to find. Third, most teams only use a fraction of what GA4 can actually provide. Claude changes that. Your data finally becomes accessible. Instead of learning every GA4 report and exploration technique, marketers can interact with analytics data using natural language. This means faster campaign analysis, better website optimization, and stronger conversion insights. Your analytics become conversational. Take campaign performance analysis. You ask Claude to identify which channels generated the highest conversion rates over the last 30 days. Claude analyzes organic search, direct traffic, and LinkedIn campaigns to find your winners instantly. No more manual data crunching. Email marketing is generating the highest conversion efficiency, while paid search traffic is underperforming. You get instant marketing insights. What about website content? Ask which blog articles generated the most engaged sessions and conversions during the last quarter. Claude provides top content pieces, average engagement time, and exit rates, giving you an instant content strategy without opening multiple reports. For conversion funnel analysis, ask Claude to identify the biggest drop-off points in your lead generation funnel. Identification is immediate. Claude identifies exactly where visitors abandon, like the 62% drop-off between your solutions page and contact form. Bottleneck solved. Executive reporting becomes minutes instead of hours. Ask for a CMO-ready summary of website performance from last month. Claude covers traffic trends, conversion trends, and provides key recommendations. Create leadership reports in minutes, not hours. And for ABM, ask for website engagement patterns from target accounts arriving through your LinkedIn campaigns. Insights are instant. You get buying journey observations and engagement depth instantly. That's ABM intelligence without any extensive manual analysis. Now things get really interesting. Instead of just asking for reports, you can start asking for specific recommendations. You're no longer just retrieving data. You're generating intelligence that drives growth. Your analytics finally starts working for you. Why did organic traffic decrease during the last 60 days? Identify pages with high traffic but low conversions, and recommend optimization opportunities. Identification is instant. Which content topics are contributing most to lead generation? Predict which acquisition channels deserve more budget based on current conversion efficiency. Decisions made easier. This is where marketing analytics is heading. The future isn't more dashboards. The future is AI-powered decision-making. By connecting Claude to Google Analytics 4, marketers can transform analytics from a reporting system into a strategic advisor. Less time building reports, more time driving growth. Imagine when Claude can access all your marketing tools simultaneously. That's when marketing truly becomes AI native. Get started with Claude and GA4 today and transform your data strategy.